I bet you didn't know your nose has a secret superpower, the ability to sneeze at sunlight. So, what's the deal with sunlight making us sneeze? It's called the photic sneeze reflex, or HU syndrome. About 1 in 4 people have it. Here's how it works. When bright light hits your eyes, your brain gets a bit confused. Instead of just telling your pupils to shrink, it accidentally sends a signal to your nose. Why? Because the wiring in your brain is all jumbled up. It's like a crossed wire in an old phone switchboard. This causes your nose to think it's time to sneeze, even though there's nothing actually irritating it. So next time you sneeze in the sun, just remember, it's your brain having a little laugh at your expense. And now you can wow your friends with this quirky bit of science trivia. Stay curious, folks.